The buzz around the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera upgrades is growing, with leaks hinting at some of the biggest changes in years. If the rumors are true, Samsung is set to bring back a long-missed feature while also making notable improvements to its zoom technology. These changes could deliver the kind of camera performance that many fans have been waiting for. One of the most talked about claims is the return of variable aperture. This feature, which first appeared on the Galaxy S9, allowed the camera to switch between different aperture settings based on lighting conditions. However, Samsung removed it in later models. Now, reports suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 200-megapixel primary camera may feature a variable aperture ranging from f/1.4 to f/4.0. For reference, the Galaxy S9 had a more limited range of f/1.5 to f/2.4. If this leak is accurate, it would allow more control over light intake, leading to better image quality in both bright and low-light environments. Zoom capabilities might also see a major upgrade. While the 50-megapixel secondary sensor may not seem too groundbreaking at first, Samsung is reportedly replacing its existing 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera with a new 50-megapixel sensor offering 3.5x optical zoom. This could mean sharper and clearer images at medium zoom levels, making everyday shots more detailed. The second zoom lens might see an even bigger jump in performance. The leaks suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel sensor with 8x zoom and a 184mm focal length. This would be an upgrade from the 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens found on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If these changes hold true, Samsung could significantly improve the long-range zoom capabilities, making this one of the most powerful smartphone cameras available. However, there is some conflicting information. While some reports point to these exciting upgrades, others suggest that Samsung might remove one of the two zoom cameras entirely. This could be a move to simplify the camera system, cut costs, or enhance efficiency in other areas. If true, it would be a surprising decision, considering Samsung's reputation for delivering strong zoom performance in its flagship models. Over the past few years, Samsung has taken a steady approach to camera improvements, focusing on refining technology rather than making dramatic changes. If the rumored upgrades make it to the final version, they can bring back excitement among users who have been waiting for something new. Since the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still nearly a year away from launch, it's important to take these leaks with some skepticism. Smartphone features often change during development, and nothing is certain until Samsung makes an official announcement. Some of these details may turn out to be inaccurate or exaggerated, while others could give us an early glimpse of what to expect. If the camera enhancements do happen, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could set new standards for smartphone photography. The return of variable aperture could improve images across different lighting conditions, while the upgraded zoom lenses could make long-distance shots clearer than ever. If Samsung decides to keep both zoom cameras instead of removing one, it could result in one of the most versatile mobile camera systems yet. As more leaks surface in the coming months, a clearer picture of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's capabilities will emerge. Until then, it's best to stay cautiously optimistic. Do these rumored camera features sound exciting enough to make you consider upgrading? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.